So my aunt has been asking me, oh, why haven't you shared my pork ribs with radish recipe? She's asked me this a few times, so I think today I want to share this recipe with all of you. Here I have 600 grams of pork ribs. First, we're going to rinse it clean and then we're going to marinate it. So you want to make sure that you wash the pork ribs until the water runs clear. Then strain off the excess water. Now I'm going to add just a dash of salt and sugar to the pork ribs. Maybe just a little bit more salt. I usually just eyeball it, but if you're new to cooking, then I would recommend you follow the measurements. Once all the ingredients are well combined, set it aside. Another main ingredient to this recipe is this white radish. I'm not sure how true it is, but my mom tells me it helps to detoxify the body. First, you want to peel off the skin. So I like to cut the radish at an angle, turn it slightly, and then cut again. First, we're going to pan fry the pork ribs. I'm going to pat this dry so that it doesn't splatter later when I'm cooking it. Then coat it with some cornstarch and dust off any excess flour. Now let's get some oil in there. When the oil is hot, just add in the pork ribs. Now you want to use either low to medium heat to fry this because you don't want the pork ribs to burn. Now you want to fry until it turns golden brown on one side and then just flip it over to the other side. Once both sides turn golden brown, just remove it from the pan. Now let's add a bit more oil. Once the pan is hot, garlic in, ginger, and dried chilies. Saute on low heat until fragrant. Then add in the radish, asam slice. Toss it a few times. Add back the ribs. Next, pour in the soy sauce, Austrian wine, some dark soy sauce, some plum sauce, and some rock sugar. Now you want to toss a few times just to combine the sauce with the ingredients. Then add some water and bring it to a boil. Okay, let's see how it's doing. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Just check that the radish is soft enough and the meat is also tender. And then it's done. Then leave the cover open and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes until the sauce thickens. And garnish with some coriander. Okay, I can't wait to try this. This is so good. It's a bit spicy for me though. Yeah, other than that, it's really delicious. It's sweet, savory, spicy, and tangy. And the radish really goes well with the pork ribs for this recipe. I do have a personal message I want to send to my aunt. 感謝你，也好食。